Cape Fear was a number of things. I had to figure out, how do I make this special? How do I do, not just say my lines? The first thing I do when I get an audition is I get really wide open to my environment. And any clues, messages, and and I loved watching people when I was really younger. I mean, I was kind of a weird kid, like almost a spy. My first thing in school, I wrote down snippets of somebody's conversation at a grocery store. It was like a torrid affair thing happening, and I was like 10, and then I read it to the class. So I really like to soak up and get in people's worlds. So I was at my friend's house, and this girl sat down, and she had a baby kitten, and she had bangs, because that was my part. I really wanted bangs. She had bangs, and she looked like she had a secret all the time. I was like, oh my God, that. Just a girl, and I asked her, where'd you get your kitten? My mom got it from me. And she just looked like she was holding a secret. I'm like, what is this girl not saying? So, and she's just like 14 or something. But that mannerism, I went, oh, that's the key to Danielle, is a girl who always has a secret. And it was different than me. People assume like I was that young. I was dating a 25-year-old and living on my own. I mean, yes, I was very young in the head, but I wasn't what that girl's life was.